Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you can already tell by the title of this video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to DIY your own black soap shampoo, which is very hydrating, moisturizing, helps curb hair loss, and also it helps increase hair growth. So I promised you guys this video. I'm sorry that it is coming in late, but here it is. So the first thing I'm doing right now is that I'm cutting up my soap. So I have my soap in a solid form. If you already have your black soap in a powdery form, that is fine. So I cut that up and put it into this container. Next, I'll be adding green tea. Green tea has a lot of benefit for the hair. It helps curb hair loss and other benefits which I'll be, inserting on the screen. So yeah, I'm just going to be adding just one tea bag into the container. So next, I decided to have black tea since I have it at home. If you don't have black tea, it is totally fine. You can just go ahead and add just your green tea. So black tea helps in boosting hair color. It also enhances shine. It increases hair growth and reduces hair shedding. It is also great for the hair. So I'm just cutting that up and also adding it into the container. So as you can see here, I can't really see, but I think I added, I'll be putting it on the screen, I think I added about 200 ml of water, because this is more of a measuring cup, so I don't want to add too much water to it. So I just added hot water to it. I'll be leaving the measurements on the screen. And yeah, I just added the hot water. I'm doing this in order for the black soap to properly dissolve into the water before we can proceed with the next step. So I stirred that up and then just cover it and left it aside to dissolve. So I am back, and I think this took about 2 to 3 hours to dissolve. I can't really remember, but yeah, the whole point is just to dissolve the soap. So here I am just taking out the tea bags, because I don't want them to burst open inside this soap, inside this shampoo rather. So the next thing I am adding is apple cider vinegar. Guys, this does a lot to the hair, right? So this helps balance the hair and scalp pH. It also helps smooth your hair cuticles, treats dandruff and itchy scalp, and other benefits which I'll be leaving on the screen. So I just added 1 teaspoon of that and stir it together. Next, I'll be adding natural honey to this. So honey also has amazing benefits to the hair. It helps restore nutrients to the hair and scalp. It moisturizes dry hair and scalp, and so many other benefits as well, which I'll be also leaving on the screen. So I added 1 teaspoon of honey. So guys, have in mind that you can decide to increase these ingredients depending on the quantity of shampoo that you're making. So next, I added pure almond oil. So I made use of 1.5 tablespoon. I just added 2 of that, so that is just, I think, about 1 tablespoon. So guys, have in mind that you can decide to make use of whatever oil you think works best on your hair. You don't necessarily need to use the type of oils that I use in this video. So next, I added just half tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and then I made sure I heat up 1 tablespoon or less of shea butter, and I added that into the mixture as well. The last oil that I'll be adding here is Jamaican black castor oil. I also added half tablespoon of that into the mixture. So next, I just went ahead to stir everything together properly. So the last thing I'll be adding right now, you don't want to skip your essential oil, right? So next, I added, I think, 2 to 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. You can make use of any essential oil you have. It is fine, just do you. And then I stirred it together. And next, you want to transfer this into a container or your whatever you use for your shampoo, or you want to use to store it. So I just had to put it in this container for now. And yeah, So guys, for this shampoo, you notice that I noticed that my hair is not usually stripped, it is not dry, and also I still get that, you know, clean feeling that my hair is properly washed without it being stripped out, if what I'm saying makes sense. And also it is more manageable. The shampoo made it more manageable, shine, and also I can feel that it is well moisturized. Also helps keep my hair, you know, from itching, you know, for like throughout the week. And also I noticed that while I was combing out, there is minimal shedding and all that. I just, you know, I love it. I love the result. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give me a huge like, and if you're stopping by for the very first time, consider joining the clique by subscribing, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you stay notified each time I post a new video. And thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, my returning subscribers, you know, my old and my new subscribers. Thank you all. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.